Hello guys, Linux Matt 7 here, or Matt's Linux, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Arch Linux on your computer or virtual machine. In this case today I'm installing it on a virtual machine, mainly for recording purposes. Now I will eventually be installing Arch Linux on my desktop. However, before that I'm going to try it in a virtual machine to make sure it is what I want. However, right now I'm going to stop talking and we're going to start installing Arch Linux. I will not be narrating that much, but I will just be telling you what to type in. So first, go ahead and choose between your i686 or your 64-bit. I'm i686 because I'm running virtual machine. And it's going to boot up. I will pause the video and I will be back when it is done loading. Okay guys, now it is going to do an automatic login. It will log you in as root, and right now we're going to choose the key maps. So type exactly what I type. Now right here, as you can see where I typed US, if you want the UK format, just type UK. And you can look online on the Arch Wiki if you, on another computer of course, if you want to see all the key maps and the codes or two-letter words to enable those. As you can see there, that shows our partition layout. I'm going to load up CF disk. And create a new partition, primary, and for the size I'm going to create a new partition, primary, and for size I'm going to choose 1024. Create a new partition. I'm going to make this 512 megabytes. And now I'm going to go into type, and press 82. Now I'm going to create a new partition. And I'm going to hit enter. Now if you want a separate partition for UEFI, I will provide a link in the description if you want some more information on that. And I'm going to SDA1, we're going to put bootable. And we are going to write the changes to disk. Type yes. And we are going to quit the CF disk application. And then MKFS tab. to type mkswap dev sda2 swap on dev sda2, and then type swap on s, and we're going to make sure that it is using dev sda2, and then mkfs.ext4 dev sda1, mkfs.ext4 dev sda3, that took a little bit there. And now we're going to mount the file systems. Then we're going to make a directory for boot. Then we are going to mount the boot partition. And if you have a wired connection, we are going to type dhcpcd and now we are going to do a ping test. Now if you get that as in a result back with your bytes and time, then you have a successful internet connection, and that is good. I will provide instructions in the description if you have a wireless internet connection. Now it's time to install the base system. We're going to type pack strap /mnt base . And it's going to go ahead and sync the file. It's going to sync the repositories. After it does that, it is going to go ahead and download repositories, and then it is going to download basic applications along with installing the basic applications. And then after that, I will be back and I will show you how you can install Grub and or Lilo or Sys Linux as a bootloader. And I will pause the video and I'll be back when this is done. Now as you can see here, it is going to download 122.69 megabytes in size. That is what it has for me, and a total of 414 megabytes when it is done installing the packages is what it is going to take up. That is it for part 1, and in part 2 I will show you how to install Grub or Lilo /Sys Linux. That's about it, guys. Until next time, I'll see you later.